Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. I'm back again with another stock that I believe has the potential to give really good returns in the upcoming days or weeks. So towards the top left corner of the screen you'll be able to see the name of the stock. It's Alembic Ltd. They are engaged in pharmaceuticals. You'll be able to check it here in Trading View. Alembic Ltd engages in pharmaceutical and real estate business. That is good enough. Now this stock, you can see the trend lines that I've drawn here at the top and at the bottom. You can see the trend line at the top. This line that I've drawn here has been tested multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times this trend line at top has been tested. And you can also see that the trend line at the bottom has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. In the month of January, towards the end of the month of January, you can see that the stock, there was a minor deviation from trend. It broke down, the price closed below the bottom trend line, but soon enough it was able to bounce back into this channel or the triangle pattern that you can see here. Now you can see that the stock has been consolidating of late here, right? Right from mid-February it has been consolidating. Now if you what I would say, I would enter this trade only after it gives a breakout from this triangle. Once the price breaks above this particular pattern and closes above it, I'll wait for a pullback, and at the pullback, when the pullback is happening, I'll switch over to the 1 hour time frame and I'll enter somewhere at the pullback. When a pullback happens, when there's a bullish confirmation, something like a hammer or good wicks at the bottom, or like a proper Marubozu candle. So this stock looks really good. And why I would suggest this stock, I have not planned the exit as of now, guys. It is only the entry that I'm concentrating on. Even if you manage to get in here somewhere when the stock gives a breakout from this particular pattern, you'll be able to ride it till its all-time high, which is 14%. Okay, but I don't believe the stock will stop anywhere there, because I don't see any sort of resistances here. So there are really high chances that once it breaks free of this pattern, it will go to new heights. So we'll see what happens. Also, if you switch over to another good entry would be somewhere here. You can see if you switch over to the 1 hour time frame, inside the pattern that we have drawn, it has created a new trend line. When you connect all the tops of these candles in the 1 hour time frame, you'll get to see a trend here. The stock has not been able to close below this trend line, right? So if you see some sort of a bullish confirmation in the 1 hour time frame, you can enter here, but we need to make sure that it we won't be able to know if it will still close above the trend line at the top. So I won't be entering here anyway. If you feel like you can enter, if you see some sort of a bullish confirmation here, you can enter somewhere here after it breaks free of this particular trend line, after the price has broken out. Then you can put your stop loss somewhere here, something close to 3%, right? So this is a stock. Now fundamentally, when you look at this stock, this seems very interesting. Why I would say that is the PB of the stock is half of that of the industry, which is a really good sign. Now the PE, the price earning ratio, is almost 1/4 of the industry PE, which is also a very good sign as well. Now the return on equity is close to 25%, which is the best in the sector, best in the pharmaceutical sector. And the EPS, the earnings per share, has been steadily increasing. So even if you look at it from the fundamental point of view, the stock seems like a very good, a promising stock. Okay, it looks like a steal if it breaks free of this pattern. That is, for long-term investors, you can hold it for as long as you want to. I believe it has the potential to become a long-term investment stock as well. But me being a trader, I'll be trying to book a quick buck in this stock. But I just wanted to share it with you. Even fundamentally, it is looking very strong. So this is the stock. You can keep this in your watch list. Like I always say, this is not a stock recommendation or a financial advice of any kind. I'm not qualified enough to do it. Whatever stocks I find interesting, I try my best to bring it to you. So thank you.